Hi guys, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, Assalamu Alaikum and welcome to my new vlog. Yesterday I have uploaded a video which you have seen, which has many pictures of the Jet Airways aircraft A330, which is an Airbus owned aircraft. Basically, Jet Airways has 5 total aircrafts of Airbus 330-200, and this is a long haul aircraft which can accommodate around 260 passengers including crew members. You can expect this aircraft from many international destinations like Bangkok, Singapore and many others. I really have an amazing experience with the Jet Airways. You might have seen the previous video. The food I was served, the quality of the seats, the fast immigrations and all stuffs. So I really have an amazing experience with the Jet Airways. You know, one thing I just love about Jet Airways is the Jet Privilege, that is a frequent flyer program where anyone can enroll into it and redeem and earn JP miles, which you can redeem on your next flight. So basically the redemption starts from 5,000 JP miles, which you can easily earn if you are a business class traveler or a frequent traveler. This airline has many code share flights, which helps a passenger to transfer between aircrafts easily on international destinations. Like if you want to travel from Mumbai to Toronto, like first this aircraft will go from Mumbai to a country in America, and then further it will connect you to Canada. So basically Toronto is in Canada, that's why. So don't confuse yourself, guys. Guys, I am sure you must have traveled one or the other time in this amazing airline, at least with your family or solo trip. Guys, I have little cold, so don't mind. Okay, I love lot of things about this airline, and some of my favorite is the Jet Privilege program, as I told earlier, in-flight meal, in-flight service, and in-flight entertainment by the Jet screen, which is exclusively on board at all the Jet Airways flights. I want to give few information about the airline to those who are unaware of the crisis the Jet Airways is going through. The airline was founded by Naresh Goyal in the year 1993, and it has completed around 26 years of its service in this current year. This man, along with thousands of employees, had really made this airline amazing. Like, you see the quality of service, the number of booking, the number of flights to its international destinations. It is even more than what Air India is serving. So the airline is facing crisis of over 8,500 crore. Currently, the management is taken by the State Bank of India, which is an Indian bank, and which is an Indian origin bank, as Naresh Goyal has to resign from its CEO post and its wife due to some reasons. So we have we have to fight, guys. See, everyone faces bad time, though it's a company, it's an organization, or it's a person. Everyone faces bad time, but it's on us how we revive. Basically, time comes and goes. Just like that, bad time comes and it goes. So I really pray for Jet Airways to revive and fly harder soon. Coming back, I uploaded a video yesterday with the pictures of business class of Jet Airways Airbus 330 aircraft. Guys, the best part was the food and hospitality I was given by the crew members of the Jet Airways. If you are traveling through business class or the first class, you get offers like faster immigration, and even you get fast security check. Like, you don't have to stand in a long queues and all. So you guys get a premium lounge access at different airports. Like in Mumbai, there are two lounge. In Mumbai International Port, there are two lounge. One is the Loyalty Lounge, and the other is JVK Lounge, and the one is Loyalty Lounge. So if you are a business class or first class traveler, you will be going to the JVK Lounge of the Mumbai airport. So guys, and even you get free Wi-Fi, buffet services, and even sleeping pods are available on some international airport lounges. Guys, so thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and stay tuned for the next update. Thank you. Bye bye.